everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very nice refreshing drink which is Jeera Masala Soda. Now this is a very popular drink usually enjoyed during summers, and since we are making this predominantly with jeera, that is cumin, this is also good for digestion. So let's get started and check out how we are going to make this Jeera Masala Soda. For the jeera soda, first we are going to dry roast the jeera, that is the cumin seeds and the whole peppercorns. So I have taken half cup of cumin. Next add 2 tablespoons of whole peppercorns. Dry roast the cumin and whole peppercorns for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. So the cumin and peppercorns have been roasting for about 3 minutes now. Turn off the stove so you can get this nice aroma. Transfer it to another plate and cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the roasted cumin and peppercorns to a mixer jar once it's cooled down completely. Grind it to a nice fine powder. Remove it from the mixer jar and keep it aside. Now we are going to make the syrup. To a nice wide saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar. Now add the ground cumin and pepper powder. Next add 1 tablespoon of black salt. So you can adjust the salt according to the taste. Next add 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. So keeping the flame on a low, just mix all the ingredients together along with the sugar. Next I am adding about 1.5 cups of water. Mix everything together. So you can see it's all dissolved nicely. Let it boil for about 15 minutes till the syrup comes together and thickens. So the mixture has been boiling for about 15 minutes on high flame. You can see the jeera syrup has thickened very nicely. At this point, you can check for seasoning, you can taste and see if all the flavors are balanced well. So next I am going to turn off the stove and cool the syrup. Once the concentrated jeera syrup has cooled down, we are going to bottle this. You can refrigerate it and use it whenever you please. Now I am going to assemble the drink. To the mason jar, add a little bit of the concentrated jeera syrup. Now you can adjust the quantity depending on the size of the glass. Next add the juice of 1 small lemon. Mix the syrup and the lemon juice together. Now add a few ice cubes. Add a few lemon slices and a few mint leaves. Finally, pour the chilled soda water. You can see the jeera soda is coming together so beautifully. It's such an amazing and refreshing drink. All you need to do is make the syrup and you can make this drink in a jiffy. It's a very refreshing drink and it's something that's perfect for the summer. To try the recipe, guys, I'm sure you all will love it. So now we've seen how to make this delicious jeera masala soda. Now I've made this concentrate. You can actually store it and refrigerate it and use it whenever you like. So since this is good for digestion, you can also enjoy it not only just as a summer drink but even after a heavy meal. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.